How to use Microsoft Bookings in Outlook. First, open Microsoft Bookings. Open your browser and go to Microsoft Bookings. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for Outlook. Or you can open Outlook, then tap the four squares, and then in the apps, click Booking. Step 2, find Personal Booking. Once you're inside Bookings, look for Personal Booking page. Step 3, create a meeting type. You can create something like a 30-minute consultation. Microsoft allows you to configure the meeting name, description, duration, location, availability, and whether it's public or private. Step 4, choose the meeting location. For example, Microsoft Teams. If you select an online meeting, Bookings can create a Teams meeting link for the appointment. Step 5, set a duration. Choose how long the appointment should be. For example, 30 minutes. You can create different meeting types for different durations. Step 6, set your availability. Choose when people are allowed to book you. Your Outlook calendar is taken into account, so existing busy appointments are not offered as available booking times. Step 7, save the meeting type. Once everything looks right, click Save. Step 8, get your booking link. Go back to your personal booking page and choose the option to share or copy your booking link. Microsoft says you can copy your personal booking link and share it by email or add it to your email signature. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.